is the shooting incident transpired on August 16, about 1:30 p.m. along Gonzalo Street, Barangay 739, Malate. Salamat sa Diyos, buhay yung mga biktima, and through the effort of the Manila Police District, backtracking and investigation, we apprehended 2 suspects and positively identified by the victim. Nandito. Dalawa. Ito nga kayo. Mariano. Ito yung bumaril sa no? Sa Gonzalo. The victim is Rolando San Juan Iabad, who suffered 2 gunshot wounds, one in the face and one in the chest. But I'm grateful that he survived the shooting. After 2 days of relentless investigation and painstaking follow-up by the Manila Police District, it resulted to arrest of Edwin Diaz David. And Hero Macalanda Maroleda. So we're happy to inform the public that this case is solved with the arrest and proper identification of the victim. So that's the first incident recently happened in Manila. Okay, tabi mo na yan. O yun yan. Now, the other one, as we all know, there was an incident in the city of Manila last August 15, about 10:40 p.m., involving foreigners, victims. 2 Japanese nationals were fatally shot at the time by an identified suspect along Malbar, fronting Sheraton Hotel, Malate, Manila. Initial reports and CCTV footages confirmed that the victims were targeted upon exiting a taxi. Now, as we have promised the people of Manila and those who are traversing and visiting the city, we may not, mapigilan yung gawain ng mga pusakal sa akto, pamisa-misan na aktuhan namin. But we make sure that justice will be served, and we are certain, as our commitment to the people of Manila, kapag ginawa nyo sa Maynila, hahanapin namin kayo kahit nasa kayo. Now, with that commitment, I'm happy to inform the general public and you guys here that through the effort of General Torre, our Chief PNP, the Regional Director of PNP in Region 3, and the Regional Director of the National Capital Region, and the Manila Police District, effort combined I would like to inform you, out of 3 possible initial suspect, we have apprehended 2 of the major participants in the crime. Here is Abel Manabat Inuki. Ito yung guide.
Yes, sir.
And Albert Manabat Inuki. Shooter.
Yes, sir.
So of 2 of at least minimum 3. At least. Because maybe later on we'll go deeper with this shooting incident. 1, to the family of Akinobu Nakayama, 42 years old, from Shizuoka, Japan. And Hideaki Satori, 53 years old. Kami taus-pusong nakikiramay sa pamilya ng mga biktima. I hope this effort, combined effort of the Philippine National Police and Manila Police District and Regional Police and all other men and women behind this investigation and your city government can bring justice to the victims. Now, as I have said, ulitin po namin, nalulungkot kami na meron pa ring sumusubok sa Maynila. But we guarantee you, no matter what, we will not rest until justice is served. I'll give you to our police sa Ligumba if you have other questions. But for the meantime, I'd just like to inform each and every one of you. These are the suspects based on investigation, backtracking of all available datas, visual datas made through the investigation.